Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch FE and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. The first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face in the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the general. And once you find the general option, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the option called the reset, and once you find it, tap on it, then scroll down and tap on the reset button and wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.